How to create a Pinterest account. So if you want to create a Pinterest account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Pinterest. And after searching, click on the first search which says www.pinterest.com. And now if you want to create a Pinterest account, then go to the upper right corner which says sign up, and here you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and you have to create a password. And after entering your email address and creating a password, you have to enter your date of birth. But if you want to continue with your Facebook account, then you can click on continue with Facebook, or you can also continue with your Google account. So I'll be choosing email. And after entering your email address, create a password, and after that enter your date of birth, and after entering your information, click on continue. And that's it. That's how you create a Pinterest account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.